Ginger isn't just for tea. It's a powerhouse with hidden healing perks. Its active compound, gingerol, fights inflammation, easing arthritis pain and sore muscles. Struggling with nausea? Chew raw ginger or sip ginger ale, made with real extract, to calm your stomach. Proven to aid chemotherapy patients. Research shows it may lower blood sugar, benefiting diabetics. For migraines, mix ginger powder with water to reduce severity. It even supports heart health by improving circulation and lowering cholesterol.